I'm Mark Winkler. I'm CFO and one of the principals here at JW Winco.
My name is Angela Schneider. I'm a team leader in technical sales at JW Winco.
We sell a lot of different standard machine elements and standard parts.
Knobs, adjustable levers, leveling feet.
All over the United States, Canada, and Mexico.
Mark somehow was connected with Impact.
We got invited to a open house, which I sent Angela to along with a few other members from our team.
And then they had actually had us come out to meet with them, and then they could show us all the products that they had and what they offered, just to kind of give us an idea of what Impact was about.
Said, hey, just go humor me, have a look at what they're able to do, and let us know what you find. And Josh came along, and while Josh was at the company, he sat down and he started asking me questions, pointed questions about what kind of customers do we have, where is our customer base, and he started explaining to me the robotics behind the software and how it works and how it could help us. And we were already being taxed and looking at hiring more people, and we said, hey, let's have a look at this.
They described how it would work. We recorded it, and they kind of walked us through everything, initially what the robot's function would do. That way we could review our processes to see, okay, what do we want the robot to do within that process.
Josh ran some reports for me to show what kind of activities we've had with the system and what we've automated. We've certainly seen a huge time savings of personnel.
So far, they've helped with a lot of the data-driven tasks that help us assist customers with their orders. The things that go above and beyond the standard requirements that our customers ask us for.
We find that automation has always been the key in our company, whether that's in our machining facilities, in our distribution facilities, or in our office areas. So we really try to automate where we can and get things moving in the right direction.
A lot of our sales team were spending time on data-driven tasks that don't produce any revenue. And we'd rather focus our time on contacting customers and building relationships with customers rather than copying and pasting data. Those are things that are not going to make you money at the end of the day. And so that's what we liked about Impact, is that they had those solutions that we could take those data-driven tasks and have something else do it.
I would say that anytime I've had any concerns, new ideas for projects, bouncing ideas off of, using this system more creatively, they've been on board, they've been available.
It's hard to swim to shore when you're fighting off alligators, So Impact helps with those alligators, so to speak, so you can stay focused on what's important to grow your business.
It's a great product, it's a great team, it's a great group to try to be innovative and achieve your wishes.